Yeah, boys. I'm pretty stoked. Kind of a cool part. I think it's the first one I've ever seen. I mean, I don't know. Maybe someone else has on YouTube. I haven't seen it yet. I'm just gonna get right at it, boys. I mean, we don't really need all this unboxing, anticipation, all this nonsense. We just getting after it, son.
You didn't build that.
All right, as the title says on the video, is there another one of these on YouTube? I'm sure there is, but I've been looking to see what they look like, see how they function, see if they fit. And I haven't seen anything, so I got this particular part. Yes, dude. All right, let's just open it. I'm excited. All right, I mean, listen, I can't buy parts all the time, and you know, I buy them with a purpose. I got things I want to do, and oh, I'm just gonna shut up and just look at this thing, dude. Oh, yes, dude. We'll get into what it is and what the car is and all that nonsense and what we're doing and why I'm here. But I mean, right now I'm just too excited, and I just got to open this thing. All right, I mean, that gold goodness. Yeah, don't worry. I'm in the backseat of my car. Yeah, there's not much interior. I don't know. You can see it. It's kind of got interior. It's on its way out. All right, we're gonna get into all that. Don't worry. I mean, right now I just gotta open this thing, get it on, and then we'll back up the story and whatever. But kind of like one thing I've always wanted to get. I think it looks cool. I don't know if it works. I don't even care. We got this. It's a bar. It's a roof bar. It's a roof brace. We're in the Subaru. I've got, you know, front and rear strut tire bars. You can probably see the bar back there. I don't know if you can, whatever. I got a front and rear strut tire bar. Got the fender braces, and I've got a couple other braces. Again, we're gonna get into all the stuff. This is just a cool interior piece, and I just, like I said, if there's another one on YouTube, I mean, maybe there is. All right, so let's just get into this. I mean, you'll see. All this talking, dude. So, rear handles, handle. Let's get that thing out. Find the screws. Put the proper Phillips head wrench or whatever it is in it, loosen it, and take it off. That's just what we're doing here. I don't think I need to get too crazy. There's one handle, here's the other handle. So we're changing the interior. Again, we're gonna get to all this and what the car is and why it's looking like a piece of junk right now. But again, I don't even care. This is one of the coolest things I got. Again, if you can find out one on YouTube, anybody's got these. I should tell you what it is. It's a Laile Beatrush Subaru SG Forester from Japan. Oh, check this out. It's even got the awesome, look at that lettering. You see that? I mean, that ain't American, boys. This is not, I didn't get this down AutoZone, my friends. This took overnight from Japan. Actually didn't come overnight, it took a long time because that boat was going slow. All right, do you want to see what it does? Of course you do. Let's see. Oh, this thing better fit. I've never even tested this. I don't even know. I'm just going by what I think it might look like. Yeah, boys. Looks like it does fit up. Oh, so it's gonna go. Oh, yes, dude. Oh, that is sick. So I think it can it go both ways? I wonder if it can go both ways. Can it go both ways, boys? It probably could, right? I mean, why couldn't it? So this is like a roof. This is sick. We're test fit. Oh, it could go both ways. I think I like it this way better. I think this is the way it's supposed to go. I don't know actually, because it's I've never seen one on YouTube before. This is the first one, so and I'm just gonna put the way I like it. I think I want that bar towards the front. That's where it looks cool. All right. Oh, this is so sick, so stoked. All right, what we got here? Very cool, distinct. I'm probably supposed to use these things in certain place type washers. And then it's got this larger one, if you can see that. It's got a smaller lock washer. And then the bolts. I probably should have brought the directions, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Directions. All right, here's this thing. So I can kind of see, it looks like, if I was a smart man, it looks like it fits right into that hole. So I'm gonna do that because I don't want to go back inside to get directions. So it's just, I mean, we got pretty good hardware, bolt hardware from Beatrush. So we got that. Oh, I'm gonna scratch it, and luckily I'm painting the interior, so if I scratch it, I mean, so be it. Piece of tape. Right, we can just get it to hold it there. That might help. All right, let me go get a piece of tape. All right, we're back, dude. The roof bar, the one-off on YouTube that I just haven't seen before, and I've been wanting it for a while. I got it from Japan Parts, with JapanParts.com. Been there. It's not like one of those things you're just like, I mean, it wasn't exactly cheap, but it wasn't super expensive. And just something I've always wanted. I probably wanted this thing for well over 2 years.
I'm so damn confused.
All right, I mean, that's how easy it is. Take out some bolts and put some new hardware in, and you get this thing, and that looks dope, and it's the only one on YouTube. Yes. Yo, we are cruising. But, I mean, I have to say, I don't know if this thing works or how good it works yet, because, I mean, ultimately we got to get out and, you know, do some more autocrossing, or just go out and find some roads and kind of check it out and see how it feels, you know, go around some twisties. But honestly, folks, I mean, I don't even care, dude. I just think it looks sick, and I like the fact that it's the only one on YouTube. If anybody sees this video, maybe you come out, I don't know, see me somewhere, I don't know. Show me what you got. Come take a look at this car.
What a piece of junk.
Check it out, dude. There's a bunch of little things here and there that we're gonna do. I'm gonna just get back to driving, and yeah, more videos to come, y'all. That's it. All right, thanks. Look at that bar, dude. Fucking only one on YouTube, son. That looks sick, dude. Ah, heck yes. All right, y'all.